back to my channel today, Sarah Louise London. My name is Sarah. For those that are brand new to my channel, I hope you are enjoying some of my mini content. Just an FYI, I have some new links down below. If you want to check those out, you're welcome to. So today I wanted to share, everyone, I get lots of comments about my shoes, my boots, my heels, and yes, I like to wear high heels. Stilettos are my favorite. I like to wear them in pretty much anything, obviously, leggings, jeans, dresses, skirts, and I got a couple of requests. So yes, I have 3 pairs of Christian Lamberts. They are gorgeous shoes if you want to splash out on designer shoes. They are not the most comfortable, but I do love them anyway. They are gorgeous. I cannot wear them all day, but I do recommend them. They are very well made. So somebody wanted me to do a video on my black ones, which I am wearing, if you can just see those. So they are the stiletto, over 4 inches high heel, but they are gorgeous. Of course, wearing my fake leather black dress with a pop of red, which matches my shoes too. So I'm gonna grab one of these shoes. So I always size up in these because they are European sizes, so they tend to be a little bit on the smaller side. But these are a US size 38.5, sorry, European 38.5. So that's around, I believe, 8.5 here. So I went a half size up because sometimes I put insoles in these heels just to make sure that my feet fit in there a little bit better. But they are made Italian, so they are beautiful made, painted. They do lots of different ones, but these are the Soul Kate stiletto heels. So this is what they look like, closer look. So you can see painted black, and then I have the nude ones as well. But the black are my favorite. I tend to wear them more often. If you do tend to wear out the soles, you can get those redone. I haven't done that. I'm not sure exactly where you go, but I know that they do that. So just keep that in mind. And you get an extra set of little heel caps that go on as well. So they come beautifully packaged. So I wanted to just share these gorgeous heels with you again on my channel.